Hello everyone, myself Ruchita, studying in 6th sem CSE. Today I'm here to discuss about comparing line, bar and radar charts for different data presentation needs. Coming to the introduction, choosing the right chart for the data presentation. Data visualization is a powerful tool for communicating insights and understanding complex information with numerous chart types available. Selecting the right one is crucial for effective data presentation. This presentation will guide you through the different types of charts, the strengthens and weakens, helping you make informed decisions for your data visualization needs. Coming to the line charts. Visualizing trends and patterns. Line charts excel at showcasing trends and patterns over time. They are ideal for depicting continuous data like sales, figure, website traffic, or temperature fluctuations. The smooth lines connecting data points create a clear visual narrative, highlighting the growth, declining, or steady states. Line charts are particularly effective when you want to emphasize changes, comparisons between data sets, or illustrate how data evolves over a period. Coming to the time series data, line charts are more suitable for data points that occur at a regular interval, like daily, weekly, or monthly sales graphs. The time axis allows viewers to understand the evolution of the data over time. Trend visualization. The smooth lines in chart help visually identify trends like upward growth, downward decline, or steady periods. It is easy to spot anomalies or outliers that deviate from the overall trend. Comparisons. Multiple lines on the same chart allow for comparing different data sets over time. For example, you could use a line chart to show how sales figures for two different products evolve over the same period. Coming to the bar charts, comparing categorical data. Bar charts are versatile for comparing discrete categories. They use rectangular bars for varying heights or lengths to represent the value of a different category. Bar charts are effective for showcasing different insights, frequency, or other measurable factors across distinct groups. Whether you're comparing product sales, website traffic, or survey responses, bar charts provide a clear visual comparison. Categorical comparison. Each bar represents a distinct category, making it easy to compare the values across different groups. For example, you could use a bar chart to compare sales figure for a different product. Coming to data grouping. Data grouping, bar charts allow for grouping similar categories together. For instance, you could group sales figure by region, product, or a time period, creating visually distinct segments within the chart. Coming to the data trends. Although bar charts primarily focus on comparison, they also can show trends by arranging categories along a timeline, can visualize depict how values change over time, showcasing growth, decline, or stability. Coming to the radar charts, displaying multi-dimensional data. Radar charts are ideal for visualizing multi-dimensional data, showcasing relationship and comparison across multiple variables. They use a circular grid with each axis representing a different variable. Data points are connected to form a polygon, allowing for a quick visual assessment of a performance across multiple dimensions. Coming to the multi-variable comparison, radar charts effectively compare performance across multi-variables simultaneously. For example, you could use a radar chart to compare the performance of different investment options across the risk, return, and liquidity. Coming to the strength and weaknesses, radar chart highlights the strength and weaknesses in a single visual representation. By comparing the length of the radial lines, you can quickly identify areas where performance is strong or needs improvement. Coming to the visual impact, the circular shape of and the polygonal formation creates a visual appealing and memorable presentation, making complex data and digestible and engaging for viewers. Coming to the data trends, radar charts can also depict trends over time by creating multiple polygons, each representing a different time period. This allows for visual comparison of how performance evolves across different time points. Coming to the strength and weakness of each chart. Right. Each chart type has its strength and weaknesses, making it essential to choose the right chart for your data and message. Understanding this will enable you to present your data effectively and communicate your insight clearly. Consider factors when selecting a chart. First, coming to the line chart. Ideal for showing trends over time, easy to compare data set. The weakness can be clutter. cluttered with too many datasets not suitable for categorical data. Come to the bar chart style. Great for comparing categorical data, visual appealing, easy to understand. Coming to the weakness of bar chart. Not as effective for showing trends over time, can be challenging for a large data set. Coming to the radar chart strengths. Effective for multi-dimensional data, visually impactful, easy to compare across variables. Can be overwhelming with too many variables, difficult to interact with the complex data. This is the weakness of radar chart. Coming to the factors to consider when selecting a chart. The choice of chart depends on your specific data and the message you want to convey. Consider these key factors when deciding on a chart. First one is data type. Line charts are best for continuous data over time. Bar charts are ideal for categorical data, and radar charts are suited for multi-dimensional data. Message. What message do you want to convey with your data? Are you highlighting trends, comparing groups, or showcasing relationship between the variables? Coming to the audience. Consider the knowledge and understanding of your audience. Choose a chart that will find clear and easy to interact. Coming to the context. Consider the context of your data and the overall narrative you are trying to present. Choose a chart that complements the story you are trying to tell. Coming to the best practices for effective data visualization. Effective data visualization involves more than just choosing the right text. Follow these best practices to create engaging and informative visual that communicates your data quickly. Clarity. Use clear and concise label patterns and legends. Avoid overly complex charts with too many variables or data points. Simplicity. Keep your chart clean and uncluttered. Use a consistent color scheme and avoid unnecessary visual elements that could distract from the data. Context. Provide context to your data through annotation, labels, or explanatory text. Help your audience understand the significance of the data and the implication. Storytelling. Use your charts to tell a story. Create a narrative that guides your audience through the data, highlight key insights and conclusion. Coming to the comparison. The three charts represent radar, bar, and line. Each provide different insights into the data. The radar charts gives a clear picture of the relative size of each department. The bar chart compares revenue sources across the quarters, and the line chart shows the trends in the revenue for each source over a time. Choosing the right chart for data presentation. See, when it comes to visualize your data, the choice of chart type can be significantly different in how efficiently the information is communicated. Based on the numeric data provided, a bar chart would be the most suitable option. Bar chart excel at comparing categorical data, making them ideal for representing and comparing the performance of characteristics of different entities, such as department or revenue sources. Line charts are also useful for tracking trends over time, while radar charts are better suited for displaying multi-dimensional data. However, for the current data set, a bar chart would provide the clearest, most intuitive visualization, allowing your audience to easily compare and interpret the relative value across the different entities. Coming to the conclusion, matching charts to your data needs. Selecting the right charts is crucial for effective data visualization. Each chart serves as a specific source, purpose, and understanding their strengths and weakness allows you to create compelling and informative visuals that communicate your data effectively. By considering your data type, message, audience, and context, you can choose the chart that best suits your needs and help your audience gain valuable insights from your data. Thank you.